When should you go to trial versus accepting a plea? It really depends on the facts of the case, and it depends on how strong the evidence is against you that you believe the state is going to be able to provide to a jury if you did go to trial. It also really depends on how good of a plea bargain offer the state has been willing to negotiate with your defense attorney. So if you think that the worst case scenario from a jury is going to be better than the state's offer to you currently as a plea bargain, then you should go to trial. If you think, however, that there's a chance that the jury could end up getting you a worse deal than what is being offered by the state, then you have to think really carefully about whether you're willing to roll the dice and gamble in front of the jury. Oftentimes people take plea bargains because they like the security in knowing what they're going to get. This is a negotiated deal. All the terms are laid out in front of them. They know exactly what's going to happen to them. When you go to trial, all bets are off. A jury could do any number of things that you then have lost control over. A lot of people get their information about what a trial is like from TV shows and movies, Law and Order, etc. In reality, what people don't understand is that jurors are nothing more or less than a random selection of members from their community. And that means that these could be anywhere from really smart people who are incredibly interested in seeking justice to really dumb people who don't care at all about what happens to you, and everyone in between. And you don't know who the jurors are going to be. There is a jury selection process, but usually that jury selection process results in getting about the average person from your community. The people on the very low end and the people on the very high end end up getting weeded out through this process. So you are entrusting your life in the hands of a bunch of generally average, random people from your community.